Welcome to the Bullish Bears YouTube channel. This is Jeremy, and if you guys like what you see, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Maybe throw a like at me. If you want to see a lot more of this, we got a lot more of this. Keep it coming. We'll keep it at you. What I'm about to do is show you just kind of a little showing off. I'm going to go in and show you how the reverse order button works on Tradovate, and it's kind of cool because I caught a pretty nifty little trade with it. Anyway, here we go.
And we just broke R1 on the 1 minute. Ideally, we get a pullback just under it one more time. I'll risk it. Oh man, missed me by 1 tick. I'm starting to run out of momentum here though too. This might just end up breaking over. That's got a really good chance of breaking over. It's going to break over. The question, do we replay the reverse card? That can be fun, actually. I'm looking at my 1 minute chart with my eyeballs here, even though my hand's hovering over this button. I'm looking at that angular resistance, looking at my chops, going, okay, bull target, I can flip it to a bear target, or a bear trade in an instant with this button. This is the third attempt on that angular resistance, though, so break above can eat me pretty quick. So I'll always be ready to jump out of that. And if we break the wick of that previous high, I am out. Nice. Keep going. Get that 20 period. Pure, hit the pivot and bounced. But you can sit here and if you got the time, I would not recommend doing this sort of thing with real cash. I would definitely go for a paper trading scenario if you're not skilled in this. But scalping these little quick patterns, I mean, if nothing else, it'll hone your skills and you'll learn. Every time you make a mistake, you're going to learn anyway, but you'll learn really fast how to take advantage of these patterns. I think I'm going to ride that candle to the pivot, see if it breaks it. Give it a chance to close a bar through that pivot. There we go. We got a measured move. We'll go probably to the next low. 41.44 is going to be a good target. Come on, take over. There's that little flash of green I didn't want to see. Next candle body better stay below the top of that doji or that hammer. Otherwise, I can just, yep, I'm done. Quick little, 20 bucks. Wrote it up for $13.75, wrote it down for $21.25, all on a 10-second chart. And I'm better skilled for it. So, I mean, like I said, practice.
We do this all the time in our trade rooms over here at Bullish Bears, and we love teaching people how to trade. And this is really great to be able to trade such a short-term chart and just nail these little scalps like this. Anyway, like I said, if you like what you see, smash that like button, give us a subscription, and check us out. We got a lot more to offer coming soon. Take care, guys.